What's up, guys? So I kind of forgot to do the intro, so I am on a dock right now and not in my kayak in the middle of the ocean. Now there's a reason for that. So I was pretty nervous going out there that day, not gonna lie. Haven't really gone offshore in a kayak very often, and when I have, I normally end up tipping because I don't know what I'm doing. But that day in particular ended up being really good. So let's just get back to the video. I'm gonna stop talking. Y'all enjoy. There we go. There we go. Stay on, stay on, stay on. What are you? You're like running straight towards me. I got something on. He's on there. There we go. Now he's fighting. I'm gonna go ahead and take a wild guess that this is a bonita. What we got? What we got? Yep, bonita. We got a bonita. It's about time I got one of these suckers, man. Oh, look at this fish. Oh, that's cool. Finally got one. Alright, man, I need you to come over here. Try to get this fish in the boat. I found something that y'all like. I should have brought my net. I'm gonna have to grab him. Gonna have to grab him. Come here, dude. Give me your tail. There we go. Wow, finally. Whew. All right, cool. First fish of the morning, a little bonita. On an inshore rod. That's fun. That's a blast. Okay, I'm gonna get this fish unhooked. There we go. All right, guys. Let's get this little bonita back in the water. And he's off. All right. Cool. Oh, shoot. Fish all underneath me right now. Oh, here we go. Yep, got something now. Oh, what we got? Oh, this is good. Whatever this is, it's good. What do we have here? Oh, man, what is this? Come on, bud. Dude, this is on an inshore rod, and I have 20-pound test. It's probably not the best setup for this kind of fishing. But you know what? It's working. It's a red snapper. Are you serious? Hey, dude. I mean, he's a little guy, but who cares? Oh, and I foul hooked him. Are you kidding me? Come here, little dude. Oh, he came off. Perfect. Oh, there's still fish down there, too. I need to hurry up. All right, guys, look. Look at... Oh, no. This is ridiculous. I've never had a fish do this before. This is ridiculous. Are you serious right now? Dude, he's stuck underneath my seat. Dude, I'll let you go that way. Alright guys, so that was ridiculous, but look. This is the first red snapper I've actually caught out of this kayak. And that was crazy. Alright, let's get him back in the water because there's more down there. He's off. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Dude, he came right up to me. I didn't even see him. Dude, that's so cool. There's a snapper right there. He bumped my kayak. Are you serious? Literally had a sea turtle come up and bump my kayak, and I didn't even see him until he was going back down. That was nuts. All right. So they keep going for these little minnows. Oh my gosh, this trigger came all the way up to the surface. They keep hitting these little minnows that are swimming around the surface. So I'm gonna throw that. That should get smacked. They're following it, man. Oh, you ate it, dude. Oh, look. Yeah, they're hitting it. They're eating it. They just need to catch the hook, man. That's it. They just need to eat the hook. I'm honestly about to drop shot these guys. Yeah, watch this. Alright guys, so this is kind of a crazy rig. Made a dropper rig real quick. Put one of these little minnows on since that's what they were eating. And have a 3-ounce pyramid sinker. So let's drop it down there. See what we can get. There we go. Yep, that worked. Got one. Ooh, that worked. That worked. It worked. I see color. What we got? Trigger? Looks like a trigger. That looks like a trigger. Oh, it worked. Oh, it worked. Oh, that's a good trigger. That is a really good trigger. Are you serious, man? There we go. Come here, man. You know what? I might try boat flip him. I'm just gonna boat flip him. Whew. Yeah, don't bite my feet. Yo, that was probably a keeper trigger too. I can't believe that worked. A little soft plastic at the bottom of the ocean. All right, guys. So that crazy tactic, almost like a bass fishing tactic, worked. We got ourselves a nice trigger fish. He's grunting. That is such a crazy fish, guys, and you do not want to stick your fingers in there because they'll be gone. Let's get him back in the water now. This probably is a keeper trigger too, but I didn't bring an ice chest, so I'm just letting these guys go. Whew. And he's off. Alright, might have to take a break from trolling because there's a lot of fish busting off right here. Look, all the birds are going nuts. Where'd they go? Yep, there we go. Got one. Oh, this is not gonna be good. This is not gonna be good. This is not gonna be good. Oh, come on, man. Just don't get tangled up in my trolling line. I bet he is. I bet he is. Where is he under? He's under. Yeah, he's under. Good. Yeah, just stay. Yeah, go that way. Go that way. Alright. Oh, this is so much fun. I know bonita are not like the most, oh no, he's wrapping around my, get off, get off, get off, get off. There we go, all right. I know bonita are not like the most sought after fish, but they are so much fun. Especially on this light inshore rod. Oh, come here, man. And how can you not like that? No, he ain't having it. He ain't having it. He's just swimming down. Oh, gosh. Putting this rod to work. Jeez, man. Oh. Come on. Dude. This bonita's not playing around. Jeez. Yeah, if he's just going in circles. Alright, man. Come here. Come here. Yeah, grab his tail. Got it. Oh, man. Oh, these guys are fun, man. I don't care what anyone says. Awesome. Another bonita. Such a fun fight. Let's get back in the water. Come on, man. There he goes. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. So, for someone like myself not knowing what the hell they're doing, coming out here and trying to catch some fish, I would say I did pretty good. Caught a trigger, caught a red snapper, a few bonita. Yeah, I'd say it's a good day. And I'll probably be out here as soon as snapper season is open. This was a blast. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.